guys, welcome back to my channel. This is so stupid because I just finished recording like about 3 seconds ago. I just finished recording the first video. Anyways, this video is on a blow dryer I bought a while back. I've not tried it before, and I have been itching to get this blow dryer. But the blow dryer I wanted to get was the Revlon one step blow dryer, something like that, about $30. You know, in Ghana it's not cheap like that. You know, it's $30 there. It's cheap, but when you bring it here, oh, it's not that cheap. Okay, so first and foremost, it's hard to come by. I've not seen anyone sell the Revlon in Ghana before, and even if they were selling, God knows I won't buy it because it's too expensive. And I've been waiting for the knockoff because I've seen reviews on the knockoff, and
that's the same freaking job.
Okay, so I was just scrolling on Jumia, and then this is the knockoff of the Revlon one step dryer. So my hair's already washed, conditioned, moisturized, sealed. So I'm just going to go straight into it because I'm getting ready to go to a friend's bachelorette. Yes, so I'm sure by the time you're watching, you're like, so like, yeah, you knew about this and you didn't say anything. So what should I say? It's supposed to be a surprise. First and foremost, let me talk about this. I got this on Jumia at 175 cedis. I checked about 2 months later and it was 107 on someone's site, or like still on Jumia. So 107, if you want it, it's easy to get. You can get it. The only thing is that I got this before Jumia started doing their shipping fee, customs, whatever.
See my face, it's like 2 to 3 times the amount of what you are buying. Then what's the point? Like, I thought Jumia was supposed to help us, the local people, with those who can order from Alibaba and so on. Jumia was supposed to help us, but now they are doing Alibaba stuff. You know, good for you and your growth, but it's not helping some of us. Like,
so now if you get it, I'm sure you still have to, you pay the customs fee, you pay all those things, and you have to, sorry, but there's an IG page that I saw was selling this. Okay, so I'm sure I'll see if I can find the page. I'll check and then just link it there so that if you want one, you can actually get one. I'm hoping that the Bell Concept will start selling these too, so that you can contact me and I can get you one. So yeah, it's just like the Rev Air. It's just that it doesn't have a brand. You know, these things, no brand. It's just one step something. So I've thrown the box away. So it has 3 controls. It's on off right now. So it has off. It has, oh gosh, focus please. Will it focus ever? Let me see. It's not focusing, but yeah, it has off, cool, low, and high. So the cool is like high speed or high intensity, but cool air. So listen, oh, it's not on. It's not on. No. Okay, so cool is like high speed but lower temperature. Okay, then the low is low speed but high temperature, and then the high is high speed, high temperature. So mostly what they do on most of the reviews I've seen, they'll start on high heat and then go down to cool. So that's what I'm going to start. Let's just get right into it. So this is because I don't want to pull my hair and tear my hair, and this is so that my hand this hand does not get too hot. Let's try again. Hi, dude, hurry up. This is not the time to spoil. Hey, imagine buying something at that price and the first time you're using it, it goes off on you. I eventually got it to work though. I think it was the connection. Okay, so yeah, voiceover for this because the blow dryer makes a lot of noise, and anything I say you can't really hear. But yeah, I started my hair. Obviously, this was the first time I was using something like this, and so it took me some time to get used. Honestly, throughout the whole video, like throughout the whole process, I don't think I figured it out. So yeah, it took me some time. And yeah, let's just take some time to laugh at my stanky face. You know the face you do when you're doing your own hair or you're like focusing on something. Oh yes. And then the smoke, let's talk about the smoke. It's from the product. Okay, so it's not my hair burning. Yeah, so I had to stop recording and figure it out. Obviously I wasn't doing something right, so I had to figure it out and then come back. Okay, so sorry, my phone went off and so I couldn't film the rest of this section. So back on now. I think I'll be blow drying the roots are still wet. Maybe I don't know how to blow dry. Who knows? Maybe that's a disadvantage of this kind of blow dryer, so we'll see. I'm in a hurry, so I can't take my time. Hey, Akoyabre. So yes, I'm done showing the whole process. I'm just going to finish it up and show you how it looks like in the end. Okay. Tom, 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 tom. to this bachelorette. Hi, okay, so because I was in a hurry to go for my friend's bachelorette, I couldn't film an outro to this video. But basically, this is how it looks. It works. It's amazing. My hair was looking amazing. I was looking amazing. I just needed a trim. I still do anyways. So thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and all of that stuff. Till you see me in the next video, it's bye.